Back to the channel, glad to have you here. How can I wear hematite stones? Hematite is a popular stone in the world of crystal healing because of its grounding and protective energies. It's also believed to help absorb negative energy and transform it into positive energy, as well as enhance focus and concentration. I'm going to share with you tips on how to wear hematite. First of all, you can wear hematite jewelry, such as bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. This is a very popular way to wear hematite. You can choose to wear one piece or layer multiple pieces for a stylish look. When wearing hematite jewelry, please make sure to put it in direct contact with your skin so that it can interact with your energy field. Number 2 is using hematite rings. They are also a popular option for those who want to wear hematite. You can choose a simple band or a more intricate design. Hematite rings can be worn on any finger, but some people prefer to wear them on the index or middle finger of their dominant hand. The third way to use hematite is to place it in your pocket. If you prefer to not wear jewelry, you can also carry a small piece of hematite in your pocket or in your purse. This allows the stone to be in close proximity to your energy field and can help to absorb negative energy and promote grounding and stability. The fourth way is hematite anklets. These are another popular way to wear hematite. They can be worn on their own or layered with other anklets for a bohemian look. Make sure that the anklets are in direct contact with your skin so that they can interact with your energy field. Overall, there are so many ways to wear hematite, so it's really up to personal preference, whether you choose to wear it as jewelry, carry a piece in your pocket, or wear it as an anklet. The most important thing is to make sure that the stone is in direct contact with your skin so that it can interact with your energy field. If you enjoyed today's content, share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.